Are you living your life without any purpose or meaning? No aim or goal in life? Are you afraid of changes in life? Are you passing through unexpected events in life? Then spend few minutes of your life to learn these 3 things to change your life forever. Take it as a task and note it down. In this video you will learn the 3 things you can do now to change your life forever. So let's start. Change is something which we cannot resist, and if try to resist, life becomes tougher.
Changes will find you, challenge you, and force you.
So instead of avoiding it, ask, how do I change my life? We cannot avoid the unexpected changes in our lives. What we can control is how we choose to respond to this change coming in life. So, if you're wondering how to change your life, here are 3 things that you can do to get started. Number 1.
Find meaning to live.
Without meaning, you will spend the rest of your life wandering aimlessly with no direction, focus, or purpose. So, ask yourself and write it down these questions. 1.
What is important in your life and why it is important?
2. What you want to achieve in your life? 3. What are your dreams? 4. What makes you happy? Your meaning in life gives you purpose and sets the direction as how you want to live your life. So if you are not having meaning to live your life, then save this video to note down these questions and find the meaning. This will surely bring the change in your life. Number 2. Set goals. It is the small step that you take to create the momentum in life when you're learning how to change your life. As we discussed before, that when you know what is important in your life and what your dream life should look like, you need to act and set long-term goals, medium-term goals, and short-term goals. Acting on these goals will enable you to achieve your dreams and change your life. Number 3. Accept yourself. Facing rejection in life, not being accepted by people around you, no consideration of your opinions in your group. This all is normal and does not matter if you accept who you are and love yourself despite adversity. This will help you to move forward in your life. Remember, the only person who is going to change your life is you. The first step to accept yourself is to stop comparing yourself with others. How you can do it? Simple. Start liking yourself. Find your courage. Love yourself. Challenge yourself. Don't worry about what anyone thinks or whether it is the right thing to do. If it feels right, act on it and go create the life you love. I promise if you implement these 3 things in your life, you change your life forever. So find meaning in your life, set goals, and accept yourself. You will do wonders in life. Remember, it is our power of choice that enables us to activate positive change in our lives. Acting on our power of choice will bring more opportunity to change our life for the better. Don't forget to answer this question in comment section. Are you ready to change your life with small changes? Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to motivate us to bring more knowledgeable videos like this, and do share your views in comment section.